Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Today is August 14th, 2021, and I'm going to discuss gold only. I wasn't able to post a video last weekend as I was on vacation with my family. My vacation coincided with very dramatic times in the precious metal sector. Let's have a look at charts and discuss the most recent developments. I posted a video on July 31st, 2021, suggesting that gold is about to start a new cycle up. In fact, technically and fundamentally, gold didn't have any excuses not to go higher. My expectation was that gold could sell off just under $1,800 level and then quickly reverse, starting a new cycle up. However, everything went exactly opposite to my expectations. On August 4th, gold made one more attempt to break $1,830 resistance, but failed once again. This failure marked the start of the capitulation sell-off in gold, taking it to $1,762 by Friday's close last week. Gold still had some chances since it held exactly at a 2.5-year trend line. We shall come back to this chart later once again. When markets opened on Monday, during the Asian session, gold plummeted all the way till $1,688. However, within hours, it was back above $1,750 level. I was scratching my head trying to understand if this is the start of a new downtrend or a flash crash. Situation was very confusing, but I kept posting tweets on my account. During takedown, gold held at the upper band of the recent flagship formation. Same like in March of 2020, which then triggered over a $600 advance in gold. Another confirmation I was expecting was that gold trades back above key 2.5-year trend line, since breakdown of long-term trend lines was not a good sign. As long as gold remained under this support, gold's bull thesis was under jeopardy. Similar event took place in the March of 2020, when gold broke key trend line, but within several days, buyers pushed gold back above a key support, marking a start of a strong advance. Not surprisingly, gold became a hated asset on the back of Fed's continuous statements about interest rate hikes, tapering talks, and claiming that inflation was temporary. Most interestingly, these statements so far were not supported by any actions. Yet, markets kept reacting to them, ignoring reality. Fed's statements kept coming while the next round of spending, assuming a $1 trillion infrastructure bill, passed by the Senate over the passing week, along with the $3.5 trillion anti-poverty and climate plan, which is expected to get passed by this fall. No matter how much the Fed turns a blind eye on the recent surge of inflation and claims it is transitory, we are now at peak liquidity and continued rising inflationary environment. Fed's balance sheet rose by $36 billion during August only, reaching $8.257 trillion. And July consumer prices jumped by 5.4%. We are indeed living in a very interesting times when markets ignore reality but prices in what might happen in a few years. Anyhow, let's get back to charts. First of all, the good thing is that gold is trading back above a 2.5-year rising support trend line. Since gold closed on a weekly basis above the trend line, we could qualify the recent price action as a false breakdown. As such, gold is trading back within the contracting triangle, with the apex at November 2021. Therefore, the resolution to this pattern should be coming before the end of the present year, which I expect to be upside. Furthermore, recent price action in gold is similar to the one that occurred in March of 2021, when gold made a sharp sell-off and recovery within a single week, marking a start of a new rally. Finally, let's further zoom in into a 5-hour chart. Although gold demonstrated excellent recovery from the last week, it is yet to do a lot of work. Next major resistance comes at $1,790, $1,800 level, which is not going to be an easy one. As long as gold remains under $1,800 level, we are not entirely out of woods. A month-long support will now act as a resistance, and gold will likely spend some time under this resistance. However, once gold manages to overcome $1,800 level, then next major rally is just a matter of time. Support for gold comes at $1,760, $1,765 level. This is it for today. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the content on this channel. And note that this video is not an investment advice and prepared solely for educational purposes.